Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your ISP has activated the fiber line and you have any activation code. That prevents endless troubleshooting. Once confirmed, place the modem next to the optical termination box and a grounded outlet so the fiber run is short and secure. Connect the fiber cable to the modem's port and plug in the power adapter. You'll see LEDs begin to blink as the device boots. Make sure you have an Ethernet cable and Wi-Fi password prepared for the next steps. Once the modem shows optical sync, connect an Ethernet cable from the modem's LAN to your router or directly to a PC to configure. Open a browser, go to the modem's IP, often 192.168.1.1, and log in using the default credentials printed on the unit. Change them immediately for security. Next, enter the ISP parameters, VLAN ID or PPPoE username/password, if required, because those tell the modem how to authenticate on the fiber network. After saving, reboot the modem and router to apply settings. You finish by testing connectivity. Ping a reliable address like 8.8.8.8 and browse several sites to confirm consistent throughput. Make sure to secure Wi-Fi with WPA2 or WPA3 and a strong password, and change the default SSID so neighbors don't guess your network. If speeds look low or there's no link, power cycle the modem and router, reseat the fiber connector, and confirm your ISP shows the line as active. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.